the violence, significantly adding to the displacement burden in IGAD and neighboring region. Please, Excellency, join me at this juncture to urge for peace in Sudan and call upon the warring parties to commit to full cessation of hostilities and establish a permanent ceasefire to allow the peaceful resolution in this conflict through dialogue. We do appreciate as IGAD so far your commitment and the leadership that the Kenya government has demonstrated. Turning to the theme of this event today, Excellency, IGAD recognizes the need for a coordinated regional migration management. As a result, IGAD designed the IGAD Regional Migration Policy Framework in 2012. This policy framework, Excellency, was endorsed by the Assembly of Heads of States and Government and consists of 12 priority areas that focuses on the net positive effect and the benefit of migration as a driver of regional integration, but also economic development of our communities, our countries, but also at the region at large. Similarly, Excellency, in 2020, IGAD member states, which Kenya is a member, endorsed the protocol on free movement of persons to facilitate the progressive realization of free entry of citizens to any of the IGAD member states, the right to residence, but also establishment. Excellency, we underscore the fact that implementation of the protocol is an important instrument in expediting our aspiration towards regional integration, which Kenya is also a pioneer. The objective of the African Continental Free Trade Area is also realized, Excellency. Further, in 2021, the Djibouti Declaration on Labor Employment and Labor Migration was another bold step which was taken by IGAD and IGAD member government to better manage labor mobility, provide comprehensive policy guidelines to our government, social partners, and other relevant stakeholders. Excellency, ladies and gentlemen, the report we are launching today is unique in its scope as indicated by our brother Mohammed from IOM in its scope and depth of analysis on migration. The trend